Hello everyone, JoRaSe here, and it's time for us to do some more work on our Blender Learning Series project, the game we're working on. So what we're going to be doing this time is making sure you know what program we're looking to download and use to build our game. And then, so we're going to download it and then install it. And then just take a little look through at the programs that package comes with, because we're going to need to be using those quite a bit. So that said, close out some stuff here that I thought I had closed out. Okay, hang on. Think you have everything closed out, and you don't. Okay, now we're ready to go. So let's switch off the camera here, and okay, hang on. Display capture decided to not work. Okay, brilliant. Well, we'll just use the other screen then. So here's the website we're wanting to go to, 3dgamestudio.com. Just type that in and it'll get you here. And what we're wanting to do is go to Gamestudio Download right here. And we're going to want to go down to Gamestudio A8, free version. This is what we want. So we're going to click on it, and it will start the download. You'll see it says 1 in parentheses here on mine. It's because I already have it downloaded, but I'm going through this for you so you know what we're looking to do. And the screen's not the right size. Okay, hang on. There, and that's better. So it is nearly done downloading. It's a sizable download. But it won't be that bad. Alright, so it is downloaded, and we can go ahead and install it. But I'm not going to because, well, I've already got it installed. Installing it again would be kind of silly. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is open it up, and it will be in the G section of your programs. And we've got 3 main editors that we're going to be dealing with. And pull them all up and I'll make them visible to you. All right, so first is going to be the model editor, which is named MED or MED, stands for model editor. And this is where we're going to be importing our models into for when we are getting them ready to import into the game engine. And this will probably be the first stop that we make when we get moving again after this session. But what we need to know is that the models we can import are not going to be the ones that we would like to import. And I say that because we've got these different file types, but most of them are not what we can do in Blender. So we've got to export them in a way that this can accept them. And we'll walk through that. And then once we get them saved in the right format, then we just load them into the next editor, which is this one, the world editor, or WED. And this is where we actually composite everything together. So all the models that we've made, the actions we're going to write for those models, anything and everything that we need to have flowing together for the game to work is going to be pieced together in this editor. And that just leaves the final editor that we're going to need to be worried with, and that is the script editor, where we are going to be able to edit in our own light C script. And we are going to be doing some of that. It's not going to be major, but it's going to be enough that you should be able to take it from there. At least that's the plan. And the only other editor that it comes with is at the wrong thing. Hang on. Is the in-game editor, which we can use to tweak things, and it looks like this. But again, you have to have an actual game file for this to work. So we're not going to be looking to do anything with that yet, but we might as we move forward with this. And I think that is going to be about it for this session. Just make sure we have the programs downloaded and ready to go for next time. And then next time we're going to start working on the file structure and the folder layout that these programs need to be able to find all the parts that we're putting together. So, see you all next time. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. If you did, right here, let's move my head over. There we go. Right here is going to be another video in the future for the next in this particular series. And over here is going to be the previous video in this series, along with a subscribe button down below it. So feel free to give that a hit, and be sure to like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. And let's see. Oh yeah, be sure to leave a comment. I'd appreciate knowing what your thoughts are. Until the next one, everyone.